morning, good afternoon from where you are coming from. I hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, this is where you belong. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you a lot of things. I'm also going to buy new stuff for my kitchen. So make sure you watch the video up to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
I wake up in my bed, wondering if you have called. The sunlight hit my face and leave a shadow on the wall. I'm falling down in disarray, cause these illusions in my head won't go away. I'm climbing up a mountain, trying my best not to fall. But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. It's going.
So guys, I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to apply this, but I'm trying. So today I'm so happy, as you can see. I just got something that I've been dying to buy. I've been dying to buy. Yeah, something that I needed it so badly. Yes, so today I just got it. It's here. My rider, he just delivered it just a few minutes ago. I couldn't manage to record while I was going to get it at the gate. So I'm so happy today. Let's do my makeup with me as I give you a little story about this thing that I've been dying to buy. I think my voice is not too low. Someone told me on my Instagram to show him the makeup that I've been using. I don't use any makeup, just this one. Rose leaf. I love it so much. I trust it with my face. So yes guys, like I said, I'm so happy today. I just got something that I've been dying for so long to buy. Yes, and it's here. Guess what? So I've been so busy, like I told you, I usually work from home. Oh, I look so good then without makeup. Yeah, so I work from home, so sometimes I get too tired or very tired, so I can sleep 3 hours in a day, sometimes 2 hours according to the work. Sometimes I might have meetings with my employees. Yeah, I have numbers of them. I've employed like I think 8 people. Yeah, so sometimes I get too tired or very tired, so you found that it's very hard for me to go outside and get supper. So the solution was to get a small fridge, because we are just the two of us, me and my husband. We don't need a big fridge. Like for what? Because if we get a big fridge, I'm sure it will be staying here without nothing inside. So for what? So I decided to get a small fridge just to be cooking maybe meals for 3 days, the days that I'm busy, or the days that I usually have meetings, so that we can I won't have to to go outside to buy supper while I'm so busy and tired, and I'm so happy. Guess what? It's here. I just got it today and I'm so happy. I can't wait to cook. Anyways, just a minute. I'm back. I can't talk while using this because I don't wanna mess up. So yes, today I got my fringe and I'm so happy, guys. I'm so excited. I think you can see the excitement on my face. I'm so excited, honestly. I'm so excited. I got my fringe. I can't wait to cook and store my food at my fringe, my small or my mini fringe. Yeah, so right now, like I'm getting ready to go to the market and get some stuff like sausages, bacons. You know, it's the first time. I think you understand. If you have a fringe, I know you understand me well for doing this. It's the excitement that, it's just the excitement. What can I say anyways? Yeah, so let's do the makeup with me as I give you few stories. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Get me to 2,000, please. We are at 1,000 subscribers. Just subscribe. It won't cost you, and it's free of charge. If you have a television or a TV, smart TV, just get your remote. Down the video that you are watching now. That is my video. You'll see somewhere written subscribe. Go there and like direct your remote and just, I think you know what I'm saying. It's the same that you have just take your remote and direct it. Just go subscribe using your TV. You can take your phone as well and subscribe, guys. It won't cost you anything. Giving you content is not an easy thing. Yeah, so please subscribe. Take the remote, subscribe from your TV and subscribe from your phone. Tell a friend, a sister, a brother to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be so happy. God will bless you, because if you do good things to others, good things will follow you. That's what I believe. Yeah. So now let's apply the pods. This is pod, the loose reef. You can see. You, in case you have products that you wanna advertise, I'm here. I'm here for that job, and I'm so ready to do it, as you can see. Okay, yeah. So guys, here is my delivery. It's a Smart Pro fringe, a small one just for the two of us. Yeah, and I'm so excited I have it. It's an achievement according, like, to me it's an achievement for now.
I wake up in my bed, wondering if you have called. The sunlight hit my face and leave a shadow on the wall. 'cause these illusions in my head won't go away. I'm climbing up a mountain, trying my best not to fall. But if I focus on my mindset, I know it's gonna be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. 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 Standing by the lake where we always used to hide, but now I'm running from myself. Got a feeling that my hands are tied. The water showed me the sky and a reflection of myself I don't recognize. I should be honest with myself, I no longer have you by my side. Focus on my mindset, maybe it will be alright. This is just how life is. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. It's going round in circles. Circles. It's going round in circles. If I focus on my mindset, maybe this will be alright.